Hello students, in this video we will talk about the multiplication and division of the rational numbers. And what we will do here, first we will take the multiplication case. Suppose I am taking an example. I will make you understand while solving the example. Suppose I am multiplying a simple number, okay, 5 by 16 cross 3 by 4. First of all, in the case of multiplication, just write simply in this form. Numerator will be multiplied by with numerator and denominator will be multiplied by the denominator. Before that multiplication, we should check that there is any cancellation process or not. Okay, so 3 is not divisible, 3 cannot be cancelled. Okay, 3 cannot cancel 16 or 4, 5 cannot cancel 16 or 4. Okay, you are watching here. So simply this is a very simple case. There is no cancellation process here, so that's why we will write here simply 5 3 ja 15, 16 4 ja 64. Okay, it is in standard form, so it is our answer. So in multiplication case there is no very much difficulty. In some points you will feel difficulty. Now taking little bit of example. Okay, suppose I am taking an example 81 divided by or upon 8 multiplied by 4 upon 9. Just simply write it, okay, upon 8 cross 9. Here we are watching that there is a case of cancellation. Why? Because 4 8 is a multiple of 4. Okay, 9 81. Okay, you are watching here. So 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 2 is here. Just write it in simplest form. 9 1 is 9, 9 9 is 81. And what is the upper in denominator section? Denominator section 2 cross 1 and numerator section 9 cross 1. 9 cross 1 because we have cancelled it. 2 cross 1, it is 9 upon 2, simply 9 upon 2. It is in improper fraction, okay, or you can say in improper way, so you can write it in a mixed way. Okay, so you can leave it here also. Okay, now 9 by 2 will be your answer. You can leave it here also. So it is your answer 9 by 2. Okay, it is our, because we are going to write the answer in rational form, not in mixed fraction type. Okay, so I hope you have understood the multiplication case. Now we will talk about the division case of the rational number. Okay, so there are some precautions to solve the division case. Now we are taking example for division case. Division. Okay, an example is what is our example? Suppose I am taking 8 upon 3 and it is divided by 5 upon 2. Now solving it, and we will come to the point. First is what? Just write the first rational number in its actual form and take a reciprocal of the next rational number. Writing it here, 8 upon 3 divided by what? 5 upon 2. Okay, moving next, 8 upon 3. Okay, 8 upon 3 cross reciprocal of the next one, 2 upon 5. 5 by 2 is written here, we will write it 2 by 5. Okay, so it is our actual form of division. Now 8 cross 2 upon 3 cross 5. 8 cross 2 upon 8 cross 2 upon 3 into 5. Okay, and this is simply, we will write 16, 8 2 ja 16, 3 5 ja 15. It is our answer. Okay, it is in rational form. Okay, so we are happy to see the answer. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now taking a little bit tough example. So moving to the tough example, suppose we are taking this example number 2 for this. 11 by 12. Okay, 11 by 12, which is divided by minus 55 upon 84, suppose. Okay, I have put a bracket here because two symbols are there, two operators are there, so that's why simply just write the first one as it is, take the reciprocal of next one, put a symbol also here, minus 84 upon 55. You will not feel difficulty, we are going in a very smooth way. 11 upon 12, just take a minus sign here. Okay, it will help us to avoid with the bracket. Okay, 84 cross, simply cross 84 upon, next number is what, 84 upon 55. Okay, so next is here what, writing it here in some proper way, upon 12 cross 55 with minus sign. Okay, so this is a case of a case of cancellation. 11 5 is 55, 7 is 12, 7 is 84, minus 7 by 5 will be the final, okay, answer. So we are not feeling very difficulty, because when we going to solve the questions, more and more question, it will be easier for us. So this is our answer. So I hope you have understood the both cases. Okay, multiplication and division of rational numbers. Okay, these are the examples of multiplication case and these are the examples of division case. Okay, this one is the simple answer, solution or simple questions, and this one is little bit tough, not more tough. Okay, so I hope you have understood. So thanks for watching. In next video we will move to our next section, representation of the rational number. Okay, representation of the rational number as decimal. Okay, or you can say that we will talk about also terminating, non-terminating, repeating decimals, this kind of questions. Okay, so these are some points. Okay, so thanks for watching.